What's poppin'? It's your boy Cassius. Today is the perfect day to try out Breakout Prop if you've never tried it before. We're having a contest right now. They've partnered with me, so that way I can give away a $100,000 evaluation for whoever wins. Now, the way it works is all you got to do is use my discount code GGRF7W anytime you purchase an evaluation. I'm going to put the flyer here up on the screen. It's going to show that if you get a bigger evaluation, you get more entries into the contest. That's basically how it works. So if you've never tried a prop firm, now may be the perfect time for you to start trying it for the first time. I have my private group, the Profit Circle, where we have a Discord group where a lot of us trade on Breakout Prop, and so we can help you in there. You know, people ask questions, and I have a lot of tutorial videos on my YouTube channel as well that show you to either navigate the platform or some things I've learned and how to pass the evaluation to try to help you out. This is not financial advice. You have to do your own research, so definitely check out their website, www.breakoutprop.com. And anytime you enter an evaluation, you actually can save money by using my discount code GGRF7W. It's just additionally right now until November 22nd, you actually can get entered into a contest to win a free $100,000 evaluation. One tip I want to show you guys real quick. Breakout Prop has 5x leverage built in for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So right now, this is my Breakout Prop account, and you know, I've only got $15,000 on it, but the P&L moves awfully fast because it's really about $75,000 worth of buying power. So that would be true for Bitcoin or Ethereum. All the altcoins have 2x leverage built in. So if someone were to use all of their $100,000, that's like saying you have $500,000 on Bitcoin. So your margin is one thing, but your position size is actually a lot bigger. So definitely this is a way that for only $9.99 is what it costs for a one-step $100,000 eval, you get access to $100,000. So anyways, they've got more evaluations that you could pick, but as you can see on the flyer, you get more entries into the contest if you use a higher evaluation. So anyways, make sure you check it out. Join the Profit Circle. Like this video, subscribe, share it out with friends, and you can use this my discount code anytime you want. So GGRF7W is my discount, and you see it right here on the screen, obviously, and that's how you enter into the contest. So any questions, hit me up in the Profit Circle. The link is going to be in the description of this video and also in the comments of this video, and I always will try to help out a fellow Breakout Prop user. So see you on the other side.